Yes, dear friend, now we shall discuss about 8th standard, the new lesson, that is the Earth, our living planet in geography. This is very important from 8th standard, 9th standard and 10th standard in the side of geography. So that is the first stone to development of geography, to learn the student. Okay friends, now we shall learn about the Earth and living as a living planet. So Earth, it has its own importance because of it is intercorrelated with biosphere, atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere. So all these spheres coordinate with the Earth. That's why Earth became popular. It is very useful for living being exist in this, the third planet of our sun's family. So we shall discuss deeply through this chapter. Here introduction and what are the objectives of this lesson learning and names of the Earth, different names called to the Earth, and what is the size of Earth and latitudes and longitudes. Also we are learning in this chapter. This is the table of contents. See, first of all, introduction. We should give some introduction about our Earth because we are living in this Earth, isn't it? So, the Earth is only the suitable planet where living creatures can survive, isn't it? Where you go, you have been searched some creatures and also living beings, that means animal beings and plants and other living creatures on the Earth's surface, isn't it? So, Earth is God gift to living creatures. So, that is suitable planet for living creatures for surviving their life in that Earth. The Earth has its own qualities. You know, it has its own qualities with the joint coordination of, already I have told you that, Earth, it has its own quality because of joint coordination with other space, that is biosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere. So bio, litho, hydro and atmosphere. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 spheres, it has its own qualities and coordination. That's why it becomes very important. See, the existence of living beings is running due to joint adjustment of different spaces. So, the living beings are exist in that Earth because of joint coordination of that Earth surface. Due to this reason, the Earth has become the habitat of different living beings. Now, different habitat are living on the Earth because of it has its own quality to coordinate with the biosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere and also lithosphere. So 4 spheres also having coordination. That's why it has its own quality. That means due to this reason, this is become popular and helpful to the living creatures, different habitat living on the Earth. So see the picture of our Earth planet. shall learn in this chapter. First one, size of the earth. What is the size of earth? 510 kilometer. Next we will discuss. What are the latitudes? What are the longitudes? And longitude and timings of local time, standard time, time zones, and international dateline. So nowadays we are come to the conclusion of our time. What is the time? What is time now? So this time is we say so on the basis of longitudinal line time, local time. So this is useful for us to learn that in this chapter. First of all, names of the earth. Earth, it has its own different names on the basis of shape and color and content, like that. See here, we are living on the earth, there is no doubt at all, and it is the third planet from the sun. Sun orderly is there. See, the earth is Brahma Vishnu Maheshwara, like that. The place Maheshwara. So sun is the third place in the family of sun. Okay. Buddha, Shukra, Guru, Shani, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. Like that. Sun families. On that families, the earth is one of them important. And the third planet from the sun, the earth is the home for all forms of life. Isn't it? What is our home? The earth is our home. What is our all forms of life home? The earth is the all forms of life home. We are living in this earth planet, isn't it? So, like plants also growing here without the support of earth, and animals also living on the earth with the support of earth, and last, we are human beings also living on the earth. All facilities, all basic needs are available on the earth surface. That's why living beings also living here. That's why this earth planet is called as living planet. Living planet. See, our earth is called by many names. Note down, dear students, what are the name of earth? We have called earth. It has its different varieties of name. Some are mentioned here. One is living planet because of all forms of life living on the earth, isn't it? Each together. And second one, unique planet. All spaces also facility available here and equally. That's why that is the unique planet. It provides the opportunity to live other forms of life also. That's why unique planet. Then water planet. Earth covered by 79.79% water by the earth remaining part. That's why that is also called as water planet because of more water covered by the earth here. And last, blue planet. See, the structure and color of earth visible blue in color. That's why that is called blue planet. Blue planet. See. Okay? Earth is living planet, unique planet, water planet, and also blue planet. So, like that is Earth, different names. Next, we shall discuss about the size of the Earth. What is the size of our Earth? See, the Earth is the fifth largest planet. Earth is the fifth largest planet, big one size in Sun's family, and also the diameter of the Earth is approximately, not perfect, the approximately diameter 4 times greater than the Moon. This is the greater here. The Sun is greater than 4 times than Moon, and let's say that it is around 107 times lesser than that of the Sun. 107 times. Okay. So the fifth largest place for the Earth planet. The total geographical area of the Earth is 510 million square kilometers. Our Indian total geographical area, I have told you in my video clipping, 82. Our Indian total geographical area, 87,000 to 92,263 square kilometer. Okay, but here our world's total geographical area, that is 510 million square kilometer. Say which 361 million square kilometer, 70.78% is covered by water. See the clear picture of water covered by our Earth. 70.78% is covered by water, and remaining 149 million square kilometer. That means 29.22% is only covered by land. See, 29.22% covered by land. That is the color black, land, and blue color, say 70.78% of the water covered. So the 70.78% is covered by water, that is the bigger than the land, 29.22%. Okay. So see, the water which is covered by the land, the little places and big and bigger, other places also land is there, but which is covered by water. So totally the water is higher than the land formation of our Earth are covered. How is the shape of the Earth described here? Already we have seen our Earth is geode shape and round in shape, apple shape, ball shape, like that some told. But on the basis of such evidence, we have come to the conclusion the Earth shape is often described as geode, which literally means earth shape. Earth is earth shape, or oblate sphere also. The Earth is flattened. See, the Earth is flattened on the polar level. That means Earth is flattened at the poles and bulges at the equator region. The middle of the place it becomes large in size, but in polar system, polar level, that is in the flattened. That means equal or little level. Okay, that's why it become a geode. Size of the Earth, the land bodies of the Earth are known as continents. See, how many continents are here? These are all continents also are got on the basis of the land bodies of the Earth are known as continents, separated from land. Like that. There are 7 continents, namely Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, and Europe, last one Australia. So these are the 7 continents did by our geographers on the basis of the land bodies. On the basis of land bodies, I will give you information here. That is the highest land continents of Asia. See, last one Australia, Antarctica. See, Asia and Antarctica are the higher and lesser continent. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica. These are the 7 important continents in the world or Earth surface. See, this is the equatorial region, the flattened on the Earth, poles level and bulges in the region from North Pole and South Pole also. So Europe, Antarctica. Are you clear? Which are the continents of Earth? See, these are the continents of 7 Earth. Which is the largest continent among them? See, Asia is the largest continent and the very small in size, that is called Australia. Australian continent is very small in size. Then above the Antarctica. So that's why the Asia is the largest continent, the Australia is the smallest continent. The large water bodies here on the earth are called oceans. The water bodies are covered by the earth largest, these are known as oceans. See here, there are important 4 major oceans are mentioned here. See here, one is Pacific Ocean. This is covered full here up to there. That's why the Pacific Ocean. And then Atlantic Ocean. This is covered by here. Atlantic Ocean. That's to here. Next, here also that is called Indian Ocean. Not one Arctic Ocean. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 important oceans done by the name by the geography. One is Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Land water bodies higher size on the basis of higher size. So the Indian Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. Below the India, that is Indian Ocean. This side the Arabian Sea, and this side is Bay of Bengal, our India. The Pacific is the largest. Pacific is the largest ocean and deepest ocean also, Pacific Ocean. While the Arctic, see here, that is the Arctic Ocean, is the smallest and shallower ocean. This is the largest continent in Earth's surface. The Asia is the largest continent in the Earth's surface, and Australia is the smallest continent. Okay, like that, the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean, and the smallest ocean is known as the Arctic Ocean. Are you clear? Yes. Next, size of the Earth. The size of the Earth. The land and water bodies are unevenly distributed, but land body and water body not equally distributed, covered by the Earth, but that is unevenly distributed. Some places highest water body, and some places land is higher. Like that, totally the land and water body is unevenly distributed. See, between the northern and southern hemisphere. See, the equatorial region, above the place is known as northern hemisphere, below the place is known as southern hemisphere. So here in between southern and northern hemisphere, the water body and the land body unevenly distributed. The below places which is covered by larger water body than the northern hemisphere. See, the land body is higher, the land body here lesser. The water body is lesser, the land water body here also higher. So that is in between northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, the land and water unevenly distributed, not equally. The northern hemisphere has 60% of land and 40% of water. See, above the place, say the northern hemisphere, here 60% land, only 60% land and 40% water. But comparatively the southern hemisphere, see here 81% water here. But what is the water there? There are 40% water, 81% water here, and land 19% in southern hemisphere, but 40% land above the here 60% land above, here 19%. There 40% water, here 81% land. Are you clear? See, the land covered by the northern hemisphere high, but here land less. Water less there, water high here. So vice versa, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Okay. Next I will continue part. Okay. Thank you.